Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a doorway shoulder and chest stretch. All right, y'all, so when we do these, we're gonna have goalpost arms. So your upper arm is going to be parallel with the floor, and your upper arms are gonna be straight up and down. Sorry, that's not upper arms. This would be your forearms. You know what I meant. Anyhow, we're gonna grab a wall, and preferably in a doorway. And I'll show you guys from this side. We're going to push our hand into the wall and then open up through the chest. Pushing against the wall, making sure that when you do these, you really feel it mostly through your upper chest area. If we feel it a ton through the shoulder, then you might want to back off or find a different angle in your doorway. So when we're doing this, that push of the hand will actually help activate your pec, and that's going to allow you to ease into the stretch. So think about this. We're going to push. So push into the wall, push, 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 and then relax. And then push, activate, push through the palm of your hand, and then relax. And then we're just going to kind of pulse through those, spending a couple seconds pushing and then a couple seconds relaxing, and that's going to help you maximize that chest and shoulder stretch.